How to get 0.5 on Snapchat. Everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can get the 0.5 on Snapchat. So if you want to get the 0.5 on Snapchat, I will show how you can get that. So on Snapchat, this is basically how you can get a wide angle on the Snapchat. So you have to watch this video till the end. And first of all, you have to go and launch your Snapchat here and log into your account. Once you have the login to your account here, you can't get any 0.5x wide angle camera option on the Snapchat. But here I have a trick for you. So first of all, you have to open and click on the emoji to explore here. Now on the search bar, you have to search for the wide here, and have searched for the wide here, and among the all of the effect you can see the 0.5 here. And after that you have to simply go and click the one of the picture here, and here you can see the wide angle picture on your Snapchat. So with the help of this simple step you can easily get the 0.5 on Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.